I can do this. Okay, welcome back to my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Don't forget to click that notification button or bell. I don't know what it names, so let's do this. I want wallpaper. Sorry, that was my grandmother. Can I show you how to get a new wallpaper that's like a new graphics? So let's do this. I don't need this. Seriously, I don't need that. The first thing you need to do is go to your gallery. You go to your comp, to your comp. Oh, what's happening? Sorry. Okay, so just you maybe want this. It just tutorial. Just press this button. The belong. You see that? Download picture. See that? Download game bar. I don't know what it means. I don't know. Just press that button, but I already have it. But if you already have it, just go to your gallery. No. There we go. So there's the physical. Dun. That picture for what? I don't need that. Go to the download. But you have see that? I want this one. This is tutorial. This could be mine. Okay, look the graphics. It's so cool. Right? You press this button. And then this is for show me. Remember, for show me. One for his nose. It's above his nose. Oh no, I'm not gonna do that. Here's my best friend. 3, 2, 1, go! That's 2 of them. Oh, and so close I can taste it. What's up? We're just gonna wait. My mom is just saying. There we go. It will be loved like this, but I just show you. Oh, sorry, I just sneezed. So, and I'm gonna show you how to make the new keyboard, just like last time, but this that I call T-Penny keyboard. Let's do that. T-Penny keyboard. There we go. And you see that, like painting something? You press that. That's for a costume. You don't move, bubble me. Why did you stay over there? Guys, here. What are gonna get over here? You see that? You see that like a picture or something? You just press that button. Go to gallery or gallery. No. Sorry. I just break my mind. Sorry. Hello. Oh, sorry guys. That was my sister calling. And it's just and different. And you see that here. Go to and you. I'm just gonna voice it first, guys. I'm just gonna take first one. First is boom. And you're done, guys. See? It's done. Don't press any button if you don't like it, you get it. I'm gonna do it this one. The color will be pink. So I love pinks. What's this for? Oh, it's just gonna pink. Pictures. It's just over here. Font. Let's go with blue. If you're done for that set, and maybe I don't know. What is it? No. Because that is Indonesian version. All is Indonesian version. Okay, then you're gonna get go. There you go. And if you're done, just go back. Okay, guys. I'm gonna done with this episode, and thank you all for watching. So see you next time. Pew 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 pew. What's gonna?